Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can turn off parental controls on your Nintendo Switch for Fortnite. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you want to do is open up your Nintendo Switch, and when you're on the home page it should look something like this. Now at the bottom we will see a few different options, and we just want to select this cog icon which will take us to system settings. Now when we're in the system settings we're going to see a whole bunch of different options on the left hand side, but we want to click this option down here which says parental controls. From there should be an option that says parental control settings, and we're going to want to open up these settings so that we can turn off our parental controls. Now when we click on that we're going to see a whole bunch of different options, and one of them will say restriction level. And from here, we will be able to change it. So, since we're trying to turn off parental controls, we're going to turn our restriction level to not restricted. And then, once it's all set to not restricted, we're going to go ahead and click next. From there, we have to input our PIN. And this is to stop anyone who shouldn't be changing those controls changing it. And then from there, we have to just re-enter the same number to confirm. And then once we've done that and exited out of it, we will have successfully turned off our parental controls. So that's how you can turn off parental controls on your Nintendo Switch for Fortnite. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.